Hey guys, it's Rich. I'm gonna get things set up here. I'm gonna put a comment in the description for the original blog post. I'm gonna go out here and get some other stuff ready, and we're gonna wait a few minutes here, let everybody get on. It's kind of a big one. A lot of people have questions about this, and it's actually one of those things that you never even really knew was an option. So I'm gonna get ready here. Let me see. Let me do this real quick. Make sure we're working. There we go. And if I can get this to share here. So if you have questions on this, feel free to ask them anytime. I'll try to get them done as quickly as possible. I try to get everything ready. And then we'll go over the blog posts and hopefully help somebody out and save lots of money to invest in other things. All right, forgive me for doing that. So anyway, we'll start out. I'm going to go back to the post here. The advantages of biweekly mortgage payments versus monthly: save interest and pay off your loan sooner. So this is one thing I've done about for a while. I haven't really done myself. We're getting ready to, but after doing the research, it makes a lot of sense, especially if you want to cut some time off your mortgage. If you have a 30-year mortgage on average and you did this right at the start, you're looking at roughly could be up to around 5.5 years it takes off your mortgage. So it's pretty impressive. And you're really not out that much more. Basically, the short is you're not using that money as long, so you're not paying interest on that term through the whole month. So anyway, I'm going to start out. Introduction. When it comes to paying off your mortgage, choosing the right payment schedule can make a significant difference in the long run. Biweekly mortgage payments offer several advantages over monthly payments, allowing you to save money on interest and pay off your loan faster. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of biweekly mortgage payments using specific examples of a $300,000 purchase price, 20% down payment, $3,500 for tax and insurance, and a 360-month mortgage at 6% interest rate. So that's about the average for everything right about now. So across the country. So additionally, we will reveal how many months early the loan can be paid off by opting for biweekly payments. By the way, just as a disclaimer, this is not financial advice, yada, 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 check with a professional and all that stuff. But anyway, if you have questions, feel free to ask because I can answer. If I can't answer them, then I will find you the right person to get in touch with. So save on interest. By switching to biweekly mortgage payments, you can save a substantial amount of money on interest over the life of the loan. With your payment schedule, you split your monthly payments in half, making payments every 2 weeks. As a result, you end up making one extra full payment a year, which significantly reduces the interest you pay. So using the provided example, let's calculate the potential interest savings with a $240,000 loan amount, 80% of the $300,000 purchase price, the $3,500 for tax and insurance, the 6% interest rate. A monthly mortgage payment would be approximately $1,438.92. With the biweekly payments, the amount paid every 2 weeks would be $719.46. And over the course of 36 months or 30 years, the total interest paid with monthly payments would be approximately $279,215.20. However, biweekly payments, the interest paid would amount to approximately $252,380.82. This results in savings of approximately $26,834.38. Now, I'm just going to jump in here as a guy who, I like to buy properties and have real estate holdings beyond my personal residence. And if you're looking at investment properties, this would be an awesome way to, get that debt paid down a little bit on those investment properties, making that extra payment once a year and then just working it in if the bank will do it. I think it's an awesome way to do it. If you want to pay a little extra too, you can just really knock it out a lot quicker. So in future blog posts, I'll be talking about using your HELOC to do that. There's a great book on it. Anyway, that is just another option on top of this to really knock out your mortgage a little bit faster. So, and you're not really paying any extra. I mean, you are paying extra, but it's not like you would notice it, right? So build equity faster. Biweekly mortgage payments also enable you to build equity in your home more quickly. As you make additional payments throughout the year, you effectively reduce the principal balance at a faster rate. This accelerated equity buildup can provide you with more financial security and opportunities for future investments. And that's a real key right now. I know a lot of people who got, 3-5% down loans. You're sitting there, if the market shifts or anything and you've just made your regular payment schedule, you really don't have any equity if the market dips at all. So something to think about. Number 3, shorter loan term. One of the most significant advantages of the biweekly mortgage payments is the potential to pay off your loan earlier. By making one extra payment per year, you can effectively shorten the loan term. In our example scenario, opting for biweekly payments can result in paying off the loan approximately 54 months or 4.5 years earlier than the original 360-month term. This means you could potentially become mortgage-free in around 25 and a half years instead of 30 years. So in conclusion, switching to biweekly mortgage payments can offer substantial benefits to homeowners by saving on interest, building equity faster, and potentially paying off the loan earlier. You can achieve greater financial freedom and save thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage. However, it's essential to check with your lender to ensure they allow biweekly payments and that the additional payment goes toward the principal. And that's true with if you're just making extra mortgage payments in general. You want to make sure with your lender that you are that is getting applied to the principal side and not the interest side, because if you're just paying on the interest side, you're not doing yourself any favors. So by implementing biweekly payments, you can take control of your mortgage and move closer to homeownership while enjoying the advantages of reduced interest and accelerated path to debt-free living. And then, of course, we have the standard disclaimer. This information in this article is provided for informational purposes only, should not be considered financial or legal advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. If you go on my blog posts, I've got links in the comments there in the description. If you want to have a meeting with me about this, you can actually get on. You can call me on my cell, 913-207-7152, or there's a link you can click on and it'll send you my calendarly. I just cannot say that. Anyway, it'll allow you to do we can set up a virtual meeting so we can talk about this in person. So whether you want to do it on the phone or face-to-face like a Zoom or something, we can do that and kind of get you a little bit more information on a one-on-one, a personal level about how these things or other things I can do to help you with your investments, buying real estate, selling real estate, whatever we need to do. So anyway, as always, I look forward to helping you guys. So if you have anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I appreciate everything you guys do. So thank you very much and have a great day.